this lesson, we will learn how to insert new rows, columns, how to delete them, how to move them, how to manipulate rows and columns inside Excel. When we are inside the Home tab, we have a Cells option where we can insert new cells, rows and columns, and where we can delete cells, rows and columns. We can select a cell inside a column, and when we use the option Insert, we can add a new column by inserting Sheet columns. The column will be inserted to the left of the selected cells. If we want to add a new row, we can use the option Insert Sheet Rows, and it will add a new blank row above the selected cell. How can we delete rows and columns? It's very simple. We can use the Delete option and delete sheet rows or sheet columns. How can we hide columns and rows? We have seen a shortcut for hiding columns and rows, and it was Ctrl+9 and Ctrl+0. Also, we can hide columns and rows by right-clicking on the column or row name, and we can use the option Hide. Once we hide a column, we can't see the column, but we can see where the column is hidden. To unhide the column, we will need to select the column that is before and the column that is after the hidden column. Then, right-clicking and choosing the option Unhide. Sometimes we do not want to delete a column, we just want to delete content inside a column. So we can use the following option. When we right-click on the column name, we can use the option Clear Contents. It will only delete the values inside the column, not the whole column. That also works for rows. When we right-click on a row, we can define if we want to clear contents or delete the whole row. And also, we can insert a new row. If we want to specify a row or column to hide, we can use the option, when right-clicking, the option Row or Column Hide. We can specify the value for a row or column hide. One way to assign the right width to all columns is by selecting the columns, and then on the Format option in the Cells tab, we can set Auto Fit Column Width. The width will automatically auto-fit the whole table or columns we have selected. The same option can apply for rows. The option is called Auto Fit Row Height.